Hello friends and welcome to Design Tour. Continuing our exploration of modern buildings, we are introducing several more contemporary structures in this video. This video is being produced in multiple parts, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to watch our upcoming videos as well. The link to the first part of this video is provided above, and I recommend watching it for your convenience. Number 5. CCTV Headquarters, Beijing, China. Also known as the CCTV Television Cultural Center. This building was designed by renewed unconventional design in its most prominent feature. The CCTV Central Television Headquarters features two curving and symmetrical towers, creating a unique and distinct design. These curved forms give the building a dynamic and captivating appearance. One of the notable features of the CCTV Central Television Headquarters is its various slopes and changing heights in its design. These features add beauty and provide a different interpretation of architectural art. The design and facade of the CCTV Central Television Headquarters clearly display modern and technological aspects. Its exterior represents China's efforts in technological advancement and architectural transformation. Given its geographic location in Beijing, the CCTV Central Television Headquarters emphasizes interaction with surrounding environment. Its design facilitates harmonious interaction with the surrounding landscapes, serving as a modern symbol in the city. The interior of the CCTV Central Television Headquarters is equipped to host exhibitions, conferences, and musical performances, transforming it into a significant artistic and cultural center in Beijing. This building is renewed as one of the Beijing's iconic landmarks and represents China's progress and grandeur in architecture and technology. Number 6. Louvre Abu Dhabi, Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. This museum, designed by renowned French architect Jean Nouvel, features an unconventional roof and stunning lighting that transforms it into a captivating work of art. It has become a significant cultural and tourist destination in Abu Dhabi. Louvre Abu Dhabi in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates, is a major architectural and artistic marvel that highlights cultural and artistic connections between the East and the West. With its prominent design and collaboration with the Louvre Museum in Paris, it serves as a symbol of efforts to convey and learn from various cultures and arts among diverse societies. With its creative design resembling a floating dome beneath a lattice-like network of light, the Louvre Museum represents a unique and exceptional architectural masterpiece. This distinct design allows natural light to flow effectively within the museum's interior. Louvre Abu Dhabi was executed in collaboration with the Louvre Museum in Paris, demonstrating an endeavor to exchange various cultures and arts from around the world. It serves as a global art museum showcasing artistic influence from different areas and cultures. The museum's location on the coast emphasizes interaction with the surrounding natural environment. Its intelligent lighting design utilizes natural light and interacts harmoniously with the surrounding environment. With its exceptional design and collaboration with the Louvre Museum in Paris, Louvre Abu Dhabi symbolizes efforts for cultural exchange and connection among diverse societies in the realm of art and culture. Recognized as a cultural and artistic hub regionally and globally, it has earned its place as a significant destination for culture and the arts. Number 7. The Shard, London, United Kingdom. Designed by Renzo Piano, the Shard is one of Europe's tallest skyscrapers and an iconic symbol of the city of London. With its conical shape and distinctive glass architectural lines, it creates a modern masterpiece in London's skyline. Its sleek and notable height has given it a distinguished place in modern architecture. The uniquely designed and elegant structure of the Shard is the result of renewed architect Renzo Piano's work. Its glass facade spirals are upright in a conical shape, creating a prominent and forward-looking design that stands out amidst London's historical architecture. With an approximate height of 310 meters, the Shard stands as the tallest building in the United Kingdom and one of the tallest in Europe. Its impressive height offers visitors panoramic cityscapes and views beyond. The Shard is not just a skyscraper, it is a multi-purpose development that includes a variety of spaces, including offices, luxury residential units, a hotel, restaurants, and public galleries. This combination of functions contributes to its role as a dynamic urban space. The glass facade of the Shard enhances not only its visual appeal, but also its sustainability. The glass panels have lower energy consumption and low natural light to penetrate through windows, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. The construction of the Shard required innovative engineering solution. Its design resembling a glass spire presented challenges in the terms of structure, sustainability, and wind resistance. Engineers utilize advanced technology to ensure the building's safety and stability. The Shard has transformed into more than just a building. It represents modernity and London's role as a global financial center. Its impact on the city's cultural landscape is significant, and it has become a backdrop for various events and celebrations. The Shard embodies the concept of the vertical city, encompassing various cultures and spaces that respond to different aspects of urban life and work. This concept is especially suitable in densely populated urban areas where efficient land use is essential. The Shard offers unique experiences by providing visitors with remarkable galleries on its upper floors. Visitors can enjoy striking views of London's iconic landmarks such as the River Thames, Tower Bridge, and St. Pius Cathedral, getting a different perspective of the city. The combination of architectural innovation, height, and multi-purpose design has solidified the Shard's position as an iconic building in London's cityscape. This structure signifies the city's commitment to modernity, sustainability, and pushing the boundaries of architectural possibilities. We hope this video has been informative and engaging for you. Support our channel by liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching, friends.